Photosynthesis is the fundamental process in which basic organic molecules and O2 are produced for all biomolecules and living organisms. This process is carried out by chlorophyll containing organisms like plants, algae, some protozoans, and some bacteria. Word photo means light and synthesis means to produce. Plants utilize simple inorganic molecule which is carbon dioxide and water which react by using light energy in the presence of pigments like chlorophyll to form glucose and oxygen. Chlorophyll is the green pigment found in the chloroplast of plant cell. It captures a specific part of visible light only. Therefore, it is not a reactant but absorbs energy needed to drive the reaction. In other words, photosynthesis converts light energy into chemical energy. The fundamental molecule produced during photosynthesis is simple sugar such as glucose. Glucose utilizes the most of the metabolism of plant to produce secondary products like starch and the other polysaccharides. Plants also use carbohydrates to form fats, proteins, and other chemicals like nucleic acid. This glucose is also used in respiration as reactant to produce energy for the metabolism of living organism. Plants are not the only organism which depend on photosynthesis, but animals also depend on phototrophs. These organisms utilize the molecules of phototrophs as food molecule. If an animal is herbivorous, it feeds directly on plants. If an animal is carnivorous, it depends on those animals which feed on plants. These feeding sequences and relationships are called food chains. On the other hand, photosynthesis is the only process which produces free oxygen by splitting water. This oxygen is utilized by all living organisms for respiration to produce energy for metabolism. Without oxygen, living organism cannot survive. Through photosynthesis, quantity of carbon dioxide and oxygen O2 in nature is maintained by plants. During photosynthesis, plants fix carbon dioxide and release O2 in environment. Carbon dioxide has a property to absorb heat of the sun. If its quantity increases in environment, there will be increase in an environmental temperature on earth called global warming. Photosynthesis keeps the quantity of carbon dioxide maintained in environment, such as indirectly keeping, that is to say, indirectly keeping the concentration of CO2 to maintain the temperature